Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is changes in the school. We have already started with lesson number 2, that is changes in the neighborhood and school. In the last video, we have studied about changes in the neighborhood. Now, today will be starting from page number 18, changes in the school. For those of us who go to school, the one change that happens every year is moving to new class. Every year we go to school, but every year one thing changes, that we go to a new class. As we grow a year older and complete a year in school, we learn new things and are ready to learn more. Now as we grow older, we learn new things and we are ready to learn more things also. Therefore, we are moved to a new and higher class each year. As we move to a new class, the classroom changes, the teacher in charge of the class changes, the books changes, and we start learning new lessons. Now, what happened when we move to a new class? We are going to a new class. Then the class teacher changes, the books are changed, and we start learning new lessons. Often we make new friends too in a class. Sometimes new admissions are there and we make new friends also. So here is a picture. Can you see the picture here? Changes in the school. The building painted differently. Now we will be learning about in detail. Life. Like us, a school also goes through some changes. It may get a new floor or a new building. Every few years, the old building gets painted and repaired. Now, school also goes through some changes. Sometimes new floors are built or a new building is built. Every few years, the old building gets painted and repaired. A new playground may be built. A new trees may be planted in the garden. So we get new playground. Sometimes we can have a new playground, new trees in the garden. Each year a school sees a fresh batch of little learners join to the school. Every year what happens? Play school children go to LKG, and then again the new batch of play school children are coming. It also seems it is oldest batch of the student pass out and leave the school to join college for further studies. Now what happened when the children pass out of class 11, 12th, so they go to further studies for college. So they also come back and meet teachers and principals. So this is the thing, that students are coming and going. When they pass out, they go to the colleges for their further studies. Come to the next page. New teacher joins the school to teach different subjects. There are new guards, new peons, new drivers for the buses who join in school as the old one leave upon growing old. Now what happened here? Sometimes new teachers also come and join. Then new guard, new peon, new drivers for the buses who joins and as the old one leaves. Sometimes what happens? Due to some circumstances, the old one leaves. So the school has to appoint the new person. Then the principal of the school changes too from time to time. Every 4 to 5 years or something or the other, the principal also changes from time to time. However, some of the things stay the same. Many, like what happened, changes are there, but sometimes the things are same. Now what are the things same? Most of the rules which we follow in the school stay the same. Now there are rules given in your diary, you know already. So these are the rules which are always will be same for the school and the students and the teachers also. Many of our old friends continue being our friends, and some of our old teachers continue teaching us. Now what is old? Old teachers are there, they will also teach us. Then our old friends are also there, they will also be our friends as well. Can you think of few more that do not change every year in your school? Now you think any one thing that doesn't change, which is given here, not from this, other than this, and write it here. Any one change. Now Some of us go through a bigger change when we move to a different school. This may happen due to several factors. If a family moves to a different town or city, the children are admitted to a new school so that they can continue with their studies in the new city. Now, what happened? Sometimes, due to some changes, we have to change the school. Either we have to go to the different city or any other way. So, what happens? The children have to admitted in a new school so that they can continue their studies in a new city also. So, sometimes parents get their children admitted to a different school because they think it is better than the previous school that the children attended. Now what happens? Sometimes due to some problem, parents are changing the school. Why? Because they think that the previous school is better than the new one. So what is they doing? They change the school. This is also the second thing. First thing is why? That if the family moves to a different city due to some changes, so we change the school. And here the second point is the parents changes. Why? Because they think the new school is better than the previous one. Going to a new school is a big change in the lives of the children. Now there is a vast difference, because when you go to the new school, you get new environment, new teachers, new friends, new things to learn, many more things you have to you get for changes, and you have to adapt that particular environment. So, but it is great opportunity to make new friends, learn new things, and learn more about new place. So it is very much important that we have to, when we are going, we have to adapt that particular change. So always remember, children, one thing I have written here: learning should be in your every stage of life. You should learn new things every day. When it means when you are growing day by day, and when you were small child, you learn new things. Then now you are a bigger one, and again you will go in class 7, 8, then you will be bigger, more and bigger and bigger. In every stage of life, learning is the most important thing, and you should learn always. So till now we will be studying here. Then the next topic is adapting to change. We will be doing in the next video. Till then, revise the chapter. Okay children, thank you.